Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be doing the design on the right of the video. So stay tuned, keep on watching. So in this video, we'll be doing the vertical ombre first to show you how it's quite tricky but simple. So what I have noticed though is that when you use light colors together to create your ombre, that's how it works best. So do not mix like a neon color with a pastel color. It will not fade properly and more easily. So if it's bright colors you're going for, use bright colors for your vertical ombre, and if it's pastel you're going for, use pastel. It blends better. Look how easy that is. And that's just the first coat. Cured now, then we're going to apply our second coat and do the same thing again. But pastel and pastel works together, and neon works together. And I will show you the neon one in another video. So it doesn't have to be perfect either. Then it's ombre. It never is perfect. So just try your best to fade as best as you can, where there's no straight line of demarcation, you know, with the coloring or the fading. So it's quite simple, guys. Look at that. So pastel goes together and neon goes together. If you have any question about that, have you tried it? Let me know how you find it and if it works for you. So we're gonna cure this look because it's practically done. So we cure it. We're gonna apply our top coat now. Sorry for the background noise. I'm at work actually. So we're gonna top coat or fade, and it can be worn just like this for a summer look or a spring look, but most times it's for summer. So it can be worn just like this. Cure it. Then we're gonna do some nail art of Linework. It was inspired by another technician's work, my Linework. So keep on watching and see how I created this Linework. So sometimes it doesn't go exactly as you want it to go, but you can always clean off, and that's why the top coat helps. When you make an arrow, it doesn't bleed into the color that you already created under the bottom of the ombre before. So keep on watching, guys. You'll see that it will not be perfect, but it will be okay, where it does not stand out if anything, any arrow is on it by the time I am finished. So I always have a cleaning brush to clean up anything extra. Alright, guys. So keep on watching. If you have any questions, comment below. Let me know if you like the video, what you would like to see. I'll be posting mostly nail arts than acrylic application alone, guys. Persons are more interested in nail art, so I'll be posting nail art. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.